In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a payment receipt in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a paid invoice, open the linked payment, and email a professional receipt to your customer. Before we start, make sure the invoice has been fully paid and that the contact's email address is saved in Xero. You'll also need permission to view sales and payments in your organization. From the Xero dashboard, go to Sales. This is the hub for customer billing and the simplest place to begin when you're following up on payments or confirming that money has come in. Next, choose Invoices. This page lets you see all invoices and filter by their status so you can quickly get to the right list without digging through unrelated items. Open the Paid tab. This view shows invoices that already have payment allocated. Working from here helps you avoid sending a receipt before the payment has actually cleared and been matched, which keeps your accounts accurate and your customers properly informed. Find and select the invoice you want to acknowledge. If you're looking through a long list, use search or sort by date, amount, or contact to narrow it down. When the invoice opens, you'll see the status, remaining balance, and the payment history, all helpful for a quick double check. Inside the invoice, click the payment link. This takes you straight to the specific payment record associated with that invoice. If there were multiple payments, choose the one you intend to reference so the receipt reflects the correct amount and date. On the payment screen, open Options. This menu contains actions related to the payment transaction itself, which is exactly where you need to be to send a confirmation for the funds received rather than resending the original invoice. Choose Send Receipt. Xero prepares an email with a PDF receipt that confirms the amount, payment date, and reference details. Take a moment to review the recipient and the message. If your organization uses branded documents, the receipt will follow your invoice branding, keeping everything consistent and professional. When everything looks good, click Send. Xero emails the receipt to your customer and records the event in the payment and invoice history, so your team can see exactly when it was sent. If you ever need to resend it, just return to the same payment record and repeat these steps. If the invoice doesn't appear under paid, confirm that the payment was reconciled or allocated to that invoice. If sending is unavailable, check the contact's email address and your user permissions. And remember, a receipt acknowledges payment. It isn't a tax invoice, so keep both for your records. That's it. You've sent a payment receipt in Xero.